Good morning, students. So in the previous video session, we have discussed about the entrepreneurship, the definition, the aspects of the entrepreneurial skills and the presentation skills we have discussed. So today we are going to discuss about the entrepreneurship and the society, what is and basically entrepreneurial and the qualities and the functions of an entrepreneurial. So firstly, we are going to discuss entrepreneurship एंड द सोसाइटी कि जो बिजनेसमैन है व्हाट इज़ द रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन द एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप मीन्स द बिजनेसमैन एंड द सोसाइटी. सो द फर्स्ट पॉइंट इज हेल्प्स इन वेल्थ क्रिएशन एंड शेयरिंग. मीन्स बच्चे बाय एस्टेब्लिशिंग द बिजनेस एंटिटी entrepreneurs means businessman who are the businessman, they invest their own resources and attract capital from investors, lenders and the public. So what is the meaning? Means they will invest their own resources and attract the people. Next is creating employment opportunity jobs. Means what they do, they create the jobs for the job seekers who are the unemployment. Means the person who are the job seekers, they create the jobs for the job seekers. So next is innovation. Innovation means entrepreneurs means the businessman. They create products and services that solve problem in innovative ways. Means they create the creativity and versatility in their business. Next, balanced regional development means entrepreneurs setting up the new business those areas those who are considered as the backward areas. Means they must develop our business on particular that areas who considered as the backward areas. Next is improve standards of living of the people. So increase in the standard of living of the people in a community is another key goal of economic development. Means क्या करना चाहिए बच्चे? So हमें उनके living of standard को means जो उनका रहने का तरीका है उनके standard को क्या करना चाहिए? Improve करना चाहिए. Clear? So here next is what is entrepreneur? Entrepreneur, it is an individual who creates a new business bearing most of the risks and enjoying most of the rewards. What is the meaning? Basically it is an individual business. क्या करता है? Who creates a new business? जो business create करता है bearing most of the risk. So same person ही risk को bear करेगा and enjoying most of the rewards. जो भी उसको benefit होगा वो भी वो खुद ही enjoy करेगा. So basically this is the definition of the entrepreneur. So next is बच्चे quality and the functions of an entrepreneur. So the first point is planning. How you can say planning? Means it is the very main function of the entrepreneur. It helps in determining the course of action for achieving various objectives. Like planning means what to do, how to do and who will do. Means it's a teamwork na. So who will do the particular work and how to do means each and everything ki what to do, when to do, how to do and who will do. So each thing it should be in very planning way. Means it should be pre-planned ki each and every work how we will do the work. Next is the self-discipline. Self-discipline means all successful businessman must possesses is in self-discipline. It is the most important quality for success in life and business. जो self-discipline है ना बच्चे, if we will not be self-disciplined ना, then we won't be able to reach to the success. Means हमें क्या होना चाहिए? Self-disciplined होना चाहिए. So next point is integrity. Integrity means honesty. It is the most successful point कि if you are the honest person then you will be able to reach to your destination. Next is the confidence. Confidence level also, it doesn't ask questions about whether they can succeed or whether they are worthy of success. they are confident with the knowledge that they will make their business succeed. Means you should be very confident with your knowledge, then you will be a successful businessman. So next is risk taking. Risk तो definitely high बच्चे. If you are the successful businessman, if you want to reach your business at the topmost bar, then you should be take risks. So risk taking. Next is the decision making. Decision making means you has to take right decision at a right time. Means only you are the person, you are the individual business, means all the person who are doing under work you, so you are the person only who will be the take decisions. So quick decisions are expected but hasty decision should not be taken. Means जो कि मतलब बिल्कुल भी रिक्वायर्ड नहीं है डिसीजन, उन डिसीजंस को आपको अवॉइड करना चाहिए. सो आपको वही डिसीजन लेने चाहिए जो कि आपके बिजनेस के लिए बेस्ट है. नेक्स्ट इज द कम्युनिकेशन एबिलिटी. An entrepreneur who can efficiently communicate with the customers, employees, suppliers, and it will be more likely to succeed than the one who doesn't. If you have the बच्चे communication capability ना, so definitely you will get your success. Next is the human relations ability. The businessman, it must maintain good relation with your customer as well as your co-workers. So got it बच्चे? So you please revise this quality and functions of an entrepreneur at home, and the next role and importance we will read in the next video session. So goodbye बच्चे.